I've been hit because I am dark skinned and because I have a light skinned child. I have been to places where people think I am the nanny. Yes, and oh, she look like a foreign baby. What does a foreign child looks like? She's Jamaican. And every day I have to be telling my child, like, hey, let me tell you, you are black and you are beautiful. What else is shade? And because her hair is all curly, I said, look, let me tell you this. You are black. It doesn't matter what anyone say. And she get hit from school too. She's 7 years old. She's been getting it from she was 3. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey, it's your girl Neisha. What's up? How y'all been doing? Yes, I know Tuesday, no, but I don't it. I have I have that video. Yeah, when I said those, because I have more than one. I have that video to put up next week Tuesday. Because of the whole blackout Tuesday, I did not post anything at all. That, I mean, the Floyd case, it is rough. When I say really rough, it hit me. I have never experienced racism, but I'm going to touch on it a little though, because I have friends who have experienced it, and I had friends who who don't like Caucasian, and hence, and I say had, they're no longer my friends. So you can see I'm coming here today without makeup. I exfoliate my skin, so I did an exfoliation, and you know, after that you can't wear makeup. Yeah, not that I hate the way I look. I love myself. I love my eyes are one of my most, like, of my curves. Yeah, I love my curves. But let me go back to what we are talking about, right? So for today we're going to go into racism, colorism, and status. You want to say status? Yes, I have experienced colorism and race and status, or status you want to say, but I don't know what it feels like to have a racist, to experience that. But I have friends who have, because I have friends who are Caucasian, and so they told me what it feels like. And I have friends who used to live in the States, in America, yeah, and they experience it, even visit, and they experience it. I've never experienced racism, but I mean, come on, we're all one people. If you check, the skin doesn't matter, if it or shade, it's the same. I mean, if we get cut, we bleed, is the same blood. Your blood might be a bit more watery, but red or deeper red, but I mean, there's no other color. It's just a different in the shades, but it's the same. If you understand what I'm saying. And it is despicable. I mean, when someone sent the video to me the other day, and I think it was on Sunday, and I was so torn apart. I mean, to have your neck, your knee in someone's neck, and you're hearing them calling out, and you're not even paid. That is cruelty. And you have people, oh, they shouldn't be doing this, and I'm not here to boost anything. I say, yeah, what should be done. I don't know what his other half is going through, but I can tell you this: if it was you, what would you do? Put yourself, you see, we always talk about blah blah, I'm enough to do this, and when you meet into the situation, a different cup of tea. I like to put myself in people's shoes before I make a comment, because I want to even have I don't understand, I can't say I understand, but I want to show some form of empathy, to empathize, or whatever you want to call it, or find it, or whatever. But we need, as a people to, and we're tired. As I said it on my Facebook page, we're tired of this discrimination. We are tired. You understand me? For me, is colorism. I've been hit because I am dark skinned, and because I have a light skinned child. I have been to places where people think I am the nanny. Yes, and oh, she look like a foreign baby. What does a foreign child looks like? She's Jamaican, and every day I have to be telling my child, like, hey, let me tell you, you are black and you are beautiful. What else is shade? And because her hair is all curly, I said, look, let me tell you this. You are black. It doesn't matter what anyone say. And she get hit from school too. She's 7 years old. She's been getting it from she was 3. I mean, I had to go to school so often. I'm still even going to school now and she's in grade 2. Child spit in her food. Yes. And tell her to eat it. A darker skin. They cut out the back of her hair. I twist her hair to school and they cut out 2 of the twists out the back, round the back. I had to take that in hand. Yes, my child. And you have people, oh, she's so pretty. And at first I would say, why is it she's pretty? She brown. I had to go through all of those issues. You understand me? With people talking, oh, you sure it's your child? She is. I gave birth November 17th at 9:44 p.m. That is how I had to start behaving and acting because of the way people think. I mean, come on. If you are not from certain areas, certain work group, you are classified in a different group. Oh, I experienced that. I was in a line paying for my CXC to get my CXC subject done, and I joined the line from the outside. My friend and I, from the sun, who know Crossroads in Jamaica, where the post office were run out there, Scotiabank, to reach inside the bank, and a lady, light skin person, and when we were near like around 4 person before us, and she just come in and they tell her to call her up, and I said no. Join the line. I was out there in the sun just like everybody else in here, and you can't be just walking up and go straight to the teller, and we did not see you from morning because of where you're from, where you work. Yeah. If you tell somebody that you're a janitor, they look down on you. If you're a doctor, everybody can be a doctor. Everybody can be a lawyer. So I have to say that because going through some stuff with the hair industry, you see, and let me tell you what I mean by that. My parents didn't want me to be a hairdresser. You understand? They didn't want that for me. Because people see hairdressers as a dropout, dunce, have nothing. There's nothing to your barber. That's how they see you as. You are insignificant. You have to have bachelor degrees. And get me, I went to so much school, so many school. But it's what? I did first year nursing. I did secretarial, I did customer service. None of those things piqued me, but doing someone else's hair. And there's nothing you can tell me now about hair that I don't. And every day I try to learn more and more because it's in depth. It's really deep. We have to look inside ourselves as a people. The next time you go to the supermarket, you're going to pay the cashier. Don't look down on her. She got a job. This corona thing, I know it hit everybody. It never look for the poor people alone. It lick rich, poor, middle, everybody. So we need to come out of that. You hear me? We need to come out. I can tell you, if it was a celebrity, and some celebrity have gone through something like that, that is why it comes back to the 3 of it for me. Race, colorism, and status. Those are the 3. Alright, so I have a good friend of mine. She's a client too, very young. She's still in high school. Her name is Tiffany. Hi, Tiffany. And thanks for always giving me your feedback and watching. She is so smart, Blessings by you, little girl. You're going to be one of them people who are coming to do some changes. And she explained to me she's very lighter than my daughter. Very, very light. And Tiffany used to have the same problem at her school. She went to prep school, so Caucasian and black. The Caucasian used to tease her about her skin. She turned to the black teased her about the same thing. So there was nobody in the middle for her. Alright? She saw on the black, she didn't look like a black, she didn't look like a Caucasian, so she's nobody to them. And I say that because even here in Jamaica, if you have certain complexion, you go into certain restaurants, they look at you more, or your job line, they will look at you more and pay more attention to you. These are the things that we experience and we have to go through every single day. We have to just, it's about the mind, change the mind. You understand me? Because I tell myself that if it was someone of Caucasian skin up there, up top, that policeman would not have done what he did, and he's wrong. My opinion, that's not a second-degree murder. That's a first-degree murder. The others around him, quite the same. You never did the murder. For some people say, but yes, you did, because you did not stop. You were there. You contributed. So therefore, everybody for me forget first degree. And it's not because it's a white. I've seen where they cough and why I'm Caucasian and they give them water and they show you those videos. It is so sad. I mean, it moved me, man. It moved me where, I mean, Wednesday, I was there and I sat down and I said, boy, no more. We had enough. We have enough. So we as a people need to unite. As I said to you before, I had friends who did not like Caucasian. I mean, they did not, we must not like, not even the movie. They don't even watch Caucasian, movie Caucasian. They say they don't like them. And they used to say stuff about them that they are red and them fishy and all sorts of something because they just don't like white. And they used to say things about hateful stuff I won't bring on my channel here. But we need, as a people, to learn to appreciate everybody. If even in religion, you have it. Because some say, oh, I'm a church of God. Sabbath, me a Sabbath. So do we believe in it? People, you're supposed to have a heart. Think about everyone else and their circumstances and make a change. I tell people, when people ask me, how are you? I will tell them, I will greet them. I like to greet, well, I'm good. If it's someone I can really, because I don't really confine in people much. I've got hit so much in church. Yes, I've got hit in church where a lot of hurt, a lot of pain, I had to let it go and move on. So I know what I'm talking about. You know, if you don't have certain job, you don't show certain contributions, so therefore you're not significant. I've seen it, I've experienced it. It's real. It's no roundabout. It's real. And even in the church, you have some church where if the person is in certain work field, they can't marry the pastor's daughter or son, because I mean, let me tell you something. Some things are going on with couple and go with the back of things, you know. Then this generation, look here, they said that I have a strong personality. To sum it up, put it in a nice way, I have a strong. I will let you know how I feel. I will. I hate when people say, if I have offended you, I'm sorry. It's not if. If you do it, say you're sorry. Because if I offend somebody, I will say I'm sorry. My daughter is 7. And if I hurt her feelings, and I know, I will go to her and tell her. And I let her know that if mommy hurt your feelings, you need to tell me. Yes, I give her a voice. Yeah, she's 7, but I have to. If I reprimand her incorrectly, I said, Jessie, what you did was wrong, but that does not give me the right to speak to you the way I did. It's not. But you know that you're supposed to do your homework and you did not, and now it's not done, and today's school day, and you don't have to, so you know what you're going to do. And I will take away the tablet from her, or I said no TV for X amount of days. I say, I will know we Jamaican people wait today. When I gotta say about nothing wrong with that, but I mean they're trying to cut it out. They want to tell you how to grow your child, but you have to know how to grow yours. So we have to teach them from the home about these things, about race. At my daughter's school, you have Chinese. I don't see no Caucasian, but that's a Chinese, and welfare children there. In grade 1, my daughter in the classroom. There were two brown children. When I say brown, I mean really high color. My daughter and another girl. And Miss said, call me every guy I want to sit beside the both of them. And the darker skin, there were most of the darker children like, you're ugly, and they will make up a fuss. I had to go back to school again because of the same thing, colorism. We are one. And every day we get up, we say we are one. We're seeing now where Caucasian is taking over, marrying a lot of African, you know, and getting these mixed babies. But at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter who you rather to be, who you prefer. It's about the heart. It's about the love. Would I marry a Caucasian? Of course. Would I marry a dark skin? Yeah, why not? Would I marry a Chinese? Yeah, why not? So those are the things I put in I tell my daughter every day as we go by. Treat everyone equal. I have a lot of motivators in my corner. I have persons who have been there for me through thick and thin. You know, they're like, when the backseat, they don't like me to tell them up front. But I just want to give a shout out to them. You know yourself. I'm going to say their name. You guys don't know them anyway. Auntie Terry, Auntie Lana, Auntie Carol. I have one auntie who, they're not my birth family, by the way. Auntie Jillian, she passed off. She was really, really, you know, yeah, one of those persons who you can really embrace. I have strong women, and they have all been through maybe similar situation, but not the same. So everybody's different. So just remember, in what you're doing, think about the person feeling. Think about your feeling too, if you would like somebody to treat you that way. And I want to make sure I'm thanking everyone. Thanks again for those who are the new subscribers. I've seen them. Thank you very much for those who have been watching the video. Yeah, YouTube will show you. And yeah, thank you. I must say a big thanks also for those who are trying to collab with me to do collaboration. Oh, and someone gave me a mic, so they saw the need, and they saw that a channel is coming up there, so they're giving me a microphone. So you will soon see my microphone on me there. Oh, Malik, you see, I have eyebrow. Malik always, I'm bringing out that serum, guys. I have eyebrow serum, that because I didn't used to have eyebrows. Yeah, so I have a lot of things coming on the market. So I'm going to say bye for now. Thank you very much. Remember, I'm putting out videos 3 days per week: Tuesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. The Sundays have been kind of shaky, but I promise. All right, I'm going to try harder for the Sundays. And until then, see you in our next video. Be safe, guys. Please walk good. All right, remember, Corona's still out there. Protect yourself. All right, bye.